Here's a trick that I thought would be appropriate since it's summertime and also baseball season. And you can do this trick with any kind of baseball hat or any kind of hat in general. Just have a spectator go ahead and pick any card that they like. Let's say they picked that one. It's a shuffled regular deck. They go ahead and look at their card. You don't know what it is. You can shuffle the deck again. Place the card back in the deck and completely lose it somewhere in the deck. Okay? Give the deck a cut or a few cuts. Shuffle. Okay? Completely losing their card in the deck. And now I'll have to change angles to show you what I'm going to do next. Hat's empty. Cards go in the hat. Shake up the hat, mix them up. Flick one card out. Boom, the king of clubs. Okay, well, this one's pretty easy. All you're doing is you have a regular deck of cards. Before I tell you how to do this, please like and subscribe and leave a comment, share this video if you like. Somebody who may want to do this trick. Also, check out thebestmagicshop.com where you can find some awesome new magic tricks, accessories, shirts, bags, and more for yourself or anyone who just likes magic. Regular hat, baseball hat works fine. Probably the best. Regular deck, have the spectator pick a card. It doesn't matter which one they pick. They can pick, any card that they want. It is a regular deck. It could be borrowed deck. They look at it. You need to get their card, 10 of spades, okay, to the top of the deck. And so what I did is just kind of an easiest move. Place the card somewhere in the middle of the deck, push it in, and when you do that, push down with your thumb, and that'll lift up the top half of the deck and give you a break, okay? You can hold that break with your palm of your hand, and then just cut the cards, and I usually do 2 cuts before I finish the third cut, so I'll take half the top stack above my break, and then at the break, and then finish the cut again. So now their selected card is on top, and then you can give it a shuffle just as long as you keep their card on top. Now, when you go to put the cards in the hat, you're just putting the deck in the hat on this side, and then their selected card goes on the back of the hat, looking something like that. Okay? And then all you're doing is just coming in and flicking the hat with your, middle finger, and the card will jump out. So just like that, okay? And their card will jump out. And now I kind of, drop the deck in, and when I do it, I hold the hat, kind of down a little bit so the cards stay in, okay, on that side. And then I say I'm gonna mix them up, and that's when I'm maneuvering the top card, their 10 of spades, to the back of the hat to get it in position to flick it out. So I do that. Okay, this is their card here, and then I'm just kind of, with my hand, I'm just, shaking the hat with my left hand at the same time with my right hand, getting their card into the back, so then I can just flick it right out, and then that's their card. And it's easy to do. All you gotta do is get their card to the top, practice it a few times, and you can use a borrowed hat. It's just a regular baseball cap, and it's a neat effect, a jumping card from hat. Okay, let me know what you think. Please like and subscribe. Till next time.